Alrighty. This is my exit. Hopefully there's parking at the Maverick. If not, I'm going to go up the road to TA. It's a little bit closer than Hopi. I do see a couple trucks there already. I'm going to go straight in there, yeah. Looks like I might be able to park in, there behind the WFX truck, perhaps. I think I'll be alright. Park over by where this guy's at falling to, but I'll park behind. I'm gonna park behind WFX. Not too often I do a parallel park this direction, so let's get pointed out this way. I gotta be careful because that sign over there. I want my tail swing to get too close to that sign up now. Yeah. Let me check out a little bit more. I was able to get around, avoid the sign, but by doing it, it put me in too much of a position to point at the guy behind me and not have enough room to get my tandems over. So come over this way. Gotta watch the wing on this. Let me see where I'm at in relation to this sign real quick. Yeah, see, the sign is really close to the curb, so it's making it a little bit of a challenge for me to get my tandems over there where I want them. You know, I could always just say to hell with trying to park deal with that sign. You can park up here in front of WFX instead of behind them, and there's nothing here to worry about. No sense making it so difficult to get into a spot because I'm worried about a sign that's real close to the curb when I park on the other side of him and be good. Now I have exactly what I want. Just come straight back to my tandems, get by the curb, cut hard left. Now watch my drive tires go straight. Hard right. Yeah, I gotta watch my right side to see how much clearance I have in front of WFX. Oh, that's beautiful. Ah, man, there's a car over there. Yeah, I might still have room, I don't know. there's room there. I can park between the car and Gardner. I actually put my 4-ways on. Okay, so real life parallel parking. I'm going to come in here, try to get my tandems in here, and then cut out. I don't see any traffic back there behind me. Okay, get my tractor, myself at an angle. So my trailer is at an angle. I'm squared up with the trailer, come straight back. When my tires get almost to the curb, to the concrete, I'm going to cut hard left. And I'm watching my drive tires on the right side. My drive tires get like they're, well, I'm trying to, I don't have my, look at that, look how perfect that is. I need to adjust my mirror downward so you can see where my drive tires are at. I normally will try to do that when, but sometimes I tend to just guess at where they're at. I'll watch my left side mirrors and get kind of an idea where I think they might be, and then just try to make a max left turn at the end to finally land up. Yeah, that one went really well.